How to convert simple product picture into high professional mockup design. If you are mid-level graphic designer, do not worry, stay tuned with me, I will teach you a trick and tip. This is simple sports shoe picture, and we can convert this in stunning and eye-catching mockup with help of simple steps. The first thing to think about is how our design should look. We are just basic level designers. How do we create an attractive and professional design outline in our mind? No need to worry. First of all, we can search our design in Google or search for a good design in Pinterest. There are many designs from many posters and companies. Let's choose this design. This is a brand design, but it doesn't matter. We can use it. I have chosen this design, and now we will save it in our laptop. Now we will open ChatGPT in Google Chrome. First of all, we will analyze our product image here and upload the image of the shoe as a reference here. And now, press this arrow button. ChatGPT will take a few moments and provide us with all the details of this image. GTP has given us a lot of information about this image, its color, branding, and who made it, etc. At this point, the purpose is that we are saving the information about this image on the GTP server, and this information is going to be useful to us in the future. Now in the next step, we will upload the design image to GTP and analyze this design image in detail. See, we have all the information related to the design, and it has also been saved in our chat history. Now we have entered the final stage. We will write a prompt. I have also put this prompt in the description. I told him to make a poster design of my grey shoes, which is 3 to 4 size. Copy the other design 100%, which I had analyzed above, so that its style and design will remain exactly the same, and then I pressed the arrow button. Our poster design mockup is ready, which is the same as our sample image which we downloaded from Pinterest. 100% original. This way we can adapt any Premiere design to our design. I hope this video of mine will be helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of my tips and tricks. Thanks for watching the video.